to congratulate you on everything that FALDEF has done in the short time that you've been organized, and that's, I believe, around 2008 that you came together. And in that time, you've done that great advocacy for those migrant workers here and those who migrant, not only from Filipino Americans, but all those that have come to you. But you also have done that education piece, you've done that outreach, you've done the poll worker watching, you've done the education, the voter education, you've done that. I've talked to your Vice President today, and he was telling me about the project on human trafficking and how you're working on that and trying to stop it at the source from Manila and places like that. And that is great, great work, and that's something that really I want to honor you for tonight and say thank you. And thank you for your efforts and continued efforts. I will continue to be a part. I want to be part of everything you do. Steve Siegel, and I hope some friends I made here tonight will continue to make sure I'm part of that. But tonight also, before I leave, I wanted to honor FALDEF with a citation from the New York City Council. And the citation reads, in general, thanking you for your efforts, but it also has the official seal of the City of New York. So if JT can come up and Mr. Consul General come up.